In the previous lesson, we created the customizing settings that are necessary so that the assignment field can no longer be changed after a document has been posted. And in this lesson, we just want to show in Fiori what will be the consequence of activating this customizing. So let's start the Manage Customer Line Items application. And actually, we will use we'll use the same document for the same customers. So let's enter the ID of the customer and of course our company code. We want the same settings, so we want to show open items up to this key date and normal items. So let's just click go. And of course, now the system will bring the three documents that we had before. But now let's check the same one. So let's click on journal entry and the ID, and once again on the ID here on the context menu. So, well, if you remember from the previous lessons, at first we see just the detail of one of the line items, which actually is the revenue line item. But let's go back to the journal entry, to the full view. And again, here we have the necessary data because we have the reference fields that we will also check if it's something that we can edit or the header text. But what we're missing, it's in the line items, we're missing the most important field, which is the assignment. So let's just click settings so we can add the assignment field as a new column. So let's select that one and let's click just OK. Well, again, to really see the effect and really see if the rule has taken effect, we need to click edit because right now we are in display only. And the effect of the customizing should be very clear because as you can see, we have some fields again like reference or header text that they are still editable. We can still modify the value. Actually they are empty, but we could like type something and then save it, and the value now of the field will be different. It will no longer be empty, it will have that value. But no, we don't have that for the assignment field. It's completely display only. We don't have the text fields that we had before. Just to double check, we can click the line item, for example, of the sales revenue to see what fields are editable and what fields are not editable. So everything that has no text field, so for example the currencies, the posting key, the tax code, the company code, all of that is not editable. Actually, of course, the assignment is not editable. So the only thing that it's editable is the item text. But then again, we accomplished what was the customer requirement because now assignment is no longer a modifiable field. We can no longer modify this. So that is exactly what we needed. So let's just, once that we have double checked that we accomplished the customer requirement, let's just quit this app. And well, actually that's it for this lesson. We just want to invite you to keep learning with all of our trainings.